Introducing the incredible 2025 Volvo XC90 T8 in a sleek grey exterior colour. This powerful vehicle boasts a 2-litre petrol/electric engine with automatic transmission, making every drive a smooth and effortless experience. The estate body style provides ample space for all your needs, with extra seats and split fold rear seats for added convenience. Safety is a top priority, with features like 360 view camera, anti-collision system, and multiple airbags. The luxurious interior includes heated seats, lumbar support, and media connections for ultimate comfort and entertainment on the go. With alloy wheels, leather interior, and metallic paint, this Volvo XC90 T8 is sure to turn heads wherever you go. Plus, with a full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty, and finance options available, you can drive with peace of mind. Don't miss out on this exceptional vehicle. Contact us at insert contact number or visit our website at spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information. Drive off in style with the 2025 Volvo XC90 T8 today.